Sure.
Ladies and gentlemen, thank you for coming. It's not for me to welcome you, but thank you. I must just say, Louis' friends, colleagues, and students, some time ago, decided to embark into a project to honor their beloved friend, teacher, colleague. And today, we've come to the fruition of that labor. Without wasting any more time, I will ask you the question.